Hey, I'm Ellen Anderson with Raleigh Insurance Group, and we are the people that put out the Chicago Car Show Schedule app. And I'm here today to tell you how you are able to update the app. The first thing that you're going to do is on the main screen of the app, you're going to see here the menu icon. You're going to click on that. Once you're into that menu, you'll see at the very bottom it shows app settings, and you're going to click on that. Once you're in app settings, you will see here where it says check for new content. So you will click on that. If there is any new content available, you're going to get this box that says that there's new content available and asking you if you'd like to download it. Here you would say yes. Now please note that we do update the app on a regular basis, but typically we will publish on Tuesdays and Fridays. If there is no new content, then you're going to get this message here that says status check, no new content found, you're good to go. Well, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our app, or you can give us a call at 800-801-1823, and we'd be happy to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much.